Hello everybody and welcome back to the Green Kitchen. I'm Amy with Be Green with Amy, and today we're going to show you how to make nice cream. There's all kinds of frozen desserts that you can have. The favorite one of mine is chocolate nice cream, and there's just some simple ingredients and it's going to be delicious. Very quick and easy. So take a look and Rick is going to show you how to do it.
Hi everybody, I'm Rick with Be Green with Amy. We need cocoa powder because Amy likes chocolate. We need some almond butter. We need some frozen bananas. There's about 5 frozen bananas in here. We use some molds, pops, or some bowls for ice cream bowls. So what we do is we take about a tablespoon or so of almond butter, put it inside your Vitamix. Put in 2 cups of water. That'll make your almond milk, which is what we use as a base. Now you can make it a little sweeter if you'd like, by adding some dates inside of that. We don't use any dates. The cocoa and the bananas by themselves make it delicious. And that's as easy it is to make almond milk. Now if I was going to use this to drink or something like that, I'd probably put a date inside of that because I kind of like mine a little sweeter, but it's not necessary. With that, you dump in the bananas, which are frozen out of the skin. Now you can measure this, but it's about, I use 3 heaping, which is probably like 6 tablespoons. Now some people put vanilla, like a vanilla extract inside of there. We don't. One of my daughters doesn't care for vanilla, so we got away from it. Basically that's it. So I'm going to blend this up a little bit. Then you take your molds and you just fill them up. You can see the thickness of it. It's kind of like a thick milkshake. Pours in. You fill the molds not quite to the top because, as we know, when it freezes, it expands a little bit. You don't want it overflowing. Put it in the freezer, and by the end of a couple of hours, they'll be ready to eat. Now you can make these with cherry, you can make it with apple, you can make it with strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, combination of any of them. We've done it with all of them. But Amy's favorite's chocolate. And I like it too. We eat one of these almost every night, which is, most people can't do that. Ice cream will make you pack on a few pounds, but bananas, because that's basically all this is, chocolate covered bananas, which are delicious. And then the extra, I put inside of a bowl.
Looks really good. And what's really nice about it is that you can freeze them in pops and have them in the freezer, so anytime you feel like having a chocolatey frozen snack, it's there for you. But if you're like me and you love chocolate and you don't want to wait that long, you can eat it like soft serve. That's really good.
I'll take it from here. That's really good.
Came out really good. So I hope that you guys make some nice cream at home and tell us how that turned out for you. And if you want the recipe, I'm going to put it in the comments below. And maybe you can tell us what you did. Did you put in some frozen fruit, or did you put in dates because you wanted it sweeter? There's all kinds of different variations. Try some different things at home and let us know what you did.
Some people put in nuts as well, cashews, something like that.
Yeah.
Blend it up, makes it a little creamier, but it's also a little bit more fattening.
Right.
But it tastes more decadent, a little bit richer.
Yeah, so let us know what you do. And remember, please click up here to subscribe, put some comments below, share this with your friends so that we can bring more videos like this to you. And until next time, be strong, be well, and be green. Bye-bye.